A team of physicists has created a new way to self-assemble particles, an advance that offers new promise for building complex and innovative materials at the microscopic level. Self-assembly, introduced in the early 2000s, gives scientists the means to pre-program particles, allowing for the building of materials without further human intervention, the microscopic equivalent of Ikea furniture that can assemble itself. The breakthrough, reported in the journal Nature, centers on emulsions, droplets of oil immersed in water, and their use in the self-assembly of foldamers, which are unique shapes that can be theoretically predicted from the sequence of droplet interactions. In the Nature work, the researchers created tiny, oil-based droplets in water, possessing an array of DNA sequences that served as assembly instructions. These droplets first assemble into flexible chains and then sequentially collapse, or fold, via sticky DNA molecules. Our work shows how hundreds of self-assembled geometries can be uniquely created, offering new possibilities for the creation of the next generation of materials. The research also included Angus McMullen, a postdoctoral fellow in NYU's Department of Physics, as well as Maitane Muñoz Basagoitian. Unlike a jigsaw puzzle, in which every piece is different, our process uses only two types of particles, which greatly reduces the variety of building blocks needed to encode a particular shape, explains Brujich. The innovation lies in using folding similar to the way that proteins do, but on a length scale 1,000 times bigger, about 1/10 the width of a strand of hair. These particles first bind together to make a chain, which then folds according to pre-programmed interactions that guide the chain through complex pathways into a unique geometry. The ability to obtain a lexicon of shapes opens the path to further assembly into larger-scale materials, just as Physicists take self-assembly to new level by mimicking biology. Breakthrough opens up new possibilities for creation of next generation of materials. Science Daily. https://ift.tt/uycy5a2. Access September 29, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.